In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in CapCut. If your footage was recorded at the wrong angle, or you simply want to adjust the orientation so it looks right on screen, CapCut makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to rotate a clip inside an existing project and make sure the result looks correct before you move on. Start by opening CapCut in your web browser. Once you're in, open a project that already contains the video clip you want to edit. After that, give the project a moment to fully load. This is important because if the timeline or editing controls haven't appeared yet, you may not be able to access the rotation settings properly. When the project is ready, look down at the timeline and locate the video clip you want to rotate. Click directly on that clip to select it. As soon as it's selected, CapCut will usually display the video editing options in the panel on the right side. If it takes a second, just wait briefly for that editing panel to appear. Now, in the right panel, find the Basics section. This area contains the main controls for adjusting your clip. Inside that section, look for the Rotate control. This is the tool you'll use to change the orientation of your video. To rotate the clip, drag the Rotate slider. As you move it, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see the change happening in real time. This makes it much easier to stop when the video looks properly aligned. In some versions of CapCut, you may also be able to enter a rotation value manually. If that option is available, you can type in a specific number for a more exact adjustment. After applying the rotation, review the result in the preview window carefully. Make sure the video is sitting at the angle you want and that nothing looks unintentionally tilted. If needed, continue adjusting the rotation until the clip is positioned correctly. Small changes can make a big difference, so it's worth taking an extra moment here. Once you're happy with how it looks, click outside the clip. This saves the adjustment and deselects the clip. Then take one final look at the preview window to review the finished result. At this point, confirm that the video has been successfully rotated and is now displayed in the correct orientation. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate a video in CapCut quickly and accurately.